Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In today's video, we'll explore another unique sound combination in Austrian German, the SP sound at the beginning of words. If you've ever wondered why Austrians and Germans pronounce words like Sport oder Spannung with the SP sound, you're in the right place. After the CH sound and the PF sound, we will continue with the SP sound in the upcoming video. Here we go. The learning goal of this tutorial is to learn how to pronounce SP at the beginning of a word in Austrian German. We'll start with the basics and then we're going to take a look at some examples. The SP sound in Austrian German is special because it is pronounced differently depending on the position in a word. At the beginning of a word, it is pronounced as sp, sh and p. The key is to make the transition smooth and quick. Sp becomes one sound without anything between the two letters. For learners, this can be confusing because in most other languages, the SP combination is pronounced as it is written. At the start of a word, SP is pronounced as sp. However, in the middle or end of a word, it is pronounced as it is spelled and written, sp. Let's take a look at some examples that can help you to practice the SP sound at the beginning of a word. The first example, Sport, sport, Sport. The second example, Spannung, tension, Spannung. The third example, Spiegel, mirror, Spiegel. The next example, Spaß, fun, Spaß. And the fifth example, Spinne, spider, Spinne. Additionally, we can check out some sentences in which the SP sound occurs. We start with the Austrian German, then Standard German, and finally we translate it into English. The first example, Ich mach gern Sport. Ich mache gerne Sport. I love doing sports. Ich mach gern Sport. The second example, Das ist spannend. Das ist spannend. That's exciting. This is spannend. And the next example, Nur Spaß. It's the same as in Standard German, Nur Spaß, which is just fun in English. Nur Spaß. All in all, we can say that the SP sound is a little bit tricky because it is pronounced differently depending where the sound is in the word. I hope this tutorial helped you to be more confident with Austrian German pronunciation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. And let me know in the comments if there are any other sounds or regional accents you would like to learn. By the way, if you want to learn more about phonetics in Austrian German, please check out my playlist about it. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiederschauen, Servus und Baba.